Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy M23. All you need to do is open Play Store on both devices to get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, tap on Not Now or close it instantly by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung smartphone. Now receive right next to Send at the bottom of M23. Also on Samsung device, thanks to all of those categories at the top, select all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Select Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and simply tap on Receive. To scan the QR code though, use the scanning icon above User Guide. Close the node. Allow camera access in the pop-up and last but not least, point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!